I'm going to do 10 reps. Right, everyone, hello. This is going to be a tricky one today because it's the evening time right now. The kids are out playing, so who knows, they might just come in and jump into the video. Anyway, today we are using kettlebells. I am going to be doing exactly what you see up here. So it's 5 rounds. I'm going to do 10 reps of each of these moves. I haven't done a kettlebell workout in a long time, so today will be nice, it will be fresh. It's evening time, so the sun is not too bad. I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's get on with it. See you on the other side. Do this at home, kids. Swings. Okay, so that's 5 rounds of that. It was a lot harder than expected. As you know, I always do the outro straight at the end so that you can feel my pain. So try and do that. I used 20 kilograms on the kettlebells, and maybe it's because I did something yesterday. I trained twice yesterday and trained this morning, but I feel really sore. But anyway, I'm happy that's done. Do it in your own time, and I'll see you on the other side.